Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you can see that majority of the altcoins are down about 5 to 10%, and the reason for this is because the panic selling from Bitcoin falling under the demand zone. If you do not know, 96 to 99,000 were the critical demand zone for the entire crypto market. The reason for this is because that was pretty much the zone where a lot of whales are deciding to buy. As we fall under that, that's okay, but if we're able to recover very quickly and hold 96,000, there is a lot higher chance in terms of how well the market will do in the short-term future. But if we fall under that and stay there for about 24 hours, there is a strong chance that a lot of whales might panic and put the whole market into a fearful situation, and we might be seeing a sell-off. That can also be seen by the fear to the grid index now sitting at 35. One thing that is important is I'm very optimistic about the entire crypto market, but I like to be more realistic just to give you guys a little bit more perspective. At the same time, Dogecoin whales load up. 100 million tokens bought. 60 cents target is in sight. Apple bans Bybit, MEX, KuCoin, and BitGet in Japan. Japan does not want those crypto related apps to be on their app store. BlackRock doubles down on Bitcoin with 5% stake in Strategy, and SEC delays Ethereum ETF option approval again. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just happy to algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit. At the same time, the user engagement will go up, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the price action for Dogecoin. This is a really interesting take, because I feel like the way Dogecoin moves in the entire market perspective, it helps the entire market see a positive trend. Now you can see that overall trend that Dogecoin has been following ever since that we saw the crash around the start of February. In the last week, it's been in a clear downtrend. Every single time it tries to break out, it's always formed a lower low. What does this mean? Well, what does that mean is, in simple terms, there is a strong chance that a lot of whales can panic. And if you look at the open interest on the other end, it's also holding still just above the 1 billion mark, and the long to the short ratio, it is favoring the long traders by at 75%. In overall sense, you can definitely see that there is a little bit of fear that's starting to grow, and that's the reason why the open interest, which is usually a little bit of a tougher situation, or you can say a little bit of a more riskier option, people are not taking that option as they're willing to just hold the prize or just hold their bag in the normal holding. They do not want to do any sort of leverage trading, and that can also be seen by these whales, which are deciding to buy over 100 million tokens in just a very short period of time, and 60 cents might be in sight. So whales bought 750 million Doge plus 100 million more. Neptune Digital Assets purchased 1 million Doge, boosting confidence, and 34 cents resistance level could signal a major price surge. But as you know, that we're sitting close to 24, climbing all the way to 34 will take a lot of money to be inflowing into the Dogecoin market. So Japan's approach to crypto regulation, in simple terms, they want to get rid of many different exchanges which actually work in Japan right now, and they got Apple to ban those websites or ban those apps because it's taking way too long to take away from each single platform. So it's better to just get the main leader to get rid of that. But maybe Samsung can still use those things. And BlackRock or Bitcoin failed to rally as BlackRock increases stake in Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy. According to the filing with the SEC, the asset manager now holds 11 million shares of Strategy's stock, commanding a 5% ownership of the company. That's a huge deal, and BlackRock could be aiming to indirectly leverage the Strategy's Bitcoin buying tactic to expand its Bitcoin exposure. So BlackRock doesn't, directly want to get involved with crypto, but they're buying stocks into a company which is clearly just investing in Bitcoin, and that's obviously Strategy. Now, SEC delays the Ethereum ETF option approval again amid the leadership change in the market review. Now, what's really interesting is the decision will be on the 9th of April, or with the decision now due on 9th of April 2025. I mean, that's maybe just a little correction. But what's really interesting about this is a lot of people anticipated that the ETFs, a lot of things relating or regulations relating to crypto will be eased very quickly after the new, we see the new changes in the leadership, but it's still taking a little bit longer. So it's actually a good thing in a sense, because it's protecting the people and at the same time it's giving a little bit of lay-by to crypto. Now this is interesting. President Trump says Elon Musk's Doge will audit the Pentagon's spending. In 2024 they failed their 7th consecutive financial audit, unable to account for $800 billion. Now if Doge gets in more details relating to Pentagon, are people a little bit concerned? And that will be interesting to see. Now you can see that Doge is still trending on Twitter with close to 1.77 million posts. Now European Union to offer a lower tariffs on US car. Now this is interesting because they are having this trade war, but at the same time the European Union wants to try to negotiate as much as possible, and President Trump to issue a tariff to match those imposed by other countries. So this tariff war is going to become bigger and bigger. Is this going to be impacting the crypto market in a positive way? Honestly, any sort of uncertainty that's going to happen relating to tariffs is definitely going to impact the crypto market in a negative way. And let me tell you one thing, the way everything is going, there's definitely a lot of room for the crypto market to go, but at the same time, it is a little scary situation. Over 70,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from exchanges in the last week, signaling a long-term confidence. So there's two different sides of whales which are actually running the market right now, and that can also be seen by the best buying opportunity for Bitcoin historically comes when traders are at a loss of 12%. Right now, they're sitting on 0.2% profit, suggesting there might be room for a better entry. If things like this are going to be suggesting a better entry, obviously not much money is going to flow in and a lot more money is going to be flowing out due to the panic. And Tether just hit its new all-time market cap of 140 billion. Is this a slap to the EU because they decided to get rid of the USDT, and then they're seeing more inflow of cash from other markets? And historically, shifts in the MVRV momentum has signaled a key turning point for Bitcoin. So is this going to be the time where the price will have a little bit of a change? Honestly, the market is going to be super volatile in the coming weeks, but overall February has always been a great month for crypto. Maybe we might be seeing some crazy inflow as well, and that can completely change the dynamics in terms of how well the crypto market is doing. Right now, we're sitting at a really important time frame. Take it in because we have a lot of profit to make. Other than that, this is not financial advice, just trying to tell you my guys' opinion. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.